In 1815, a volcanic eruption in Indonesia led to the year without a summer. Crops failed and famine spread across Europe and North America. In Switzerland, a group of friends, including Mary Shelley, gathered to escape the cold. They challenged each other to write ghost stories. This eerie setting inspired Shelley to pen Frankenstein, a tale that questioned the limits of human ambition. Could a nightmare spark a literary masterpiece? The eruption's ash cloud altered weather patterns, but it also birthed a classic. Like, subscribe, and comment to support us.